Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Kajingja basngau syarkai, kumba hadu khatlai ngot kibreu, balashu antan, kilasat telap hakawai kethleu kebadai, kajakati doyong, kabadan hakasnong, lom thari, kabahak apo ke Saipung Police Station, hari lom jentia. Wala ka khubor kampat pentikna, handai la subajor bakini kibreu, kidang ti doyong hakani kajaka. Handai katkom ka khubor pulet pan, ampala ban pentikna, hakanu kurkom kini kelaja, bat kile ayu, kini kibreu hakani kethleu. Kani kajingja kelaja hakakalai terik matau banai nopra, arja karpra. Handai ka kanhon ka balalet chakani kajaka, ban sayi kibreu ki basakot hakani kethleu. Hadu ka khatsau terik ru, ampat la satya ban sayi ki. Nakal yang kipulen kila pelong yang kijing toket kebabnya halor kena kijing ja ban lap yang kijing sisa baro kamtam yo kedai kijing ti to yo dau yang.
Adam we made to retrieve the bodies with the help of the NDRF ada NDRF. And we are trying our best to
Yeah, as names we got from the people who said 13. So otherwise we are not sure whether 13 has or not.
We cannot say it, but we can say that unless we go inside, we are able to go inside, we find them, then only we can calculate. And we cannot jump to any conclusion.
The case has been registered last night itself, then we have identified, but he is still on the run. He is on the look. He was registered last night. That one we are still yet to find out whether anyone escaped this time, because no one still has come forward. So we are working on that. One guy from this Lumthari, one Mr. James Supply. So as per information, so FIR has been lodged against him. Okay. We will continue to look for him. Yeah. Because you see from that Lumthari village there are 3 guys.
Yes.
So
there are 3 local.
3 local guys are there, so that's why how we got the name. I mean, our officers were here since this day night. So that's how we got the name. So of course, when we really retrieve that body, then we'll actually know really who are the names.
Now we have to find this. Now, I mean, like you have seen with your own eyes. Yeah. What's going on? So we are trying our best. Now like I said, we cannot jump to any conclusion right now. We cannot see that they are dead. Like we cannot see. Unless until they are able to give them.
Okay. As earlier, we cannot jump conclusion. No? You have seen the work is on. Work just today only. So let's see for few days.
In fact, we have SP has already requested to have bigger pumps. We will be using those pumps.
Oh, okay.